Hello, this is Anitha. We are going to see the topic dictionary data structure in Python. So a dictionary is a mapping between a set of keys and set of values. The items in dictionary are key pair values. So dictionary data structure consists can be a Python data type. Values can be a Python data type. Keys and values both can be a Python data type because keys are used for indexing and values can be mutable or immutable. So creating a dictionary. So in this example we are creating the dictionary DICT using the keyword and our dictionary name is English to SP. So in this dictionary we can add values. So here are some examples: adding values in dictionary and printing the values inside the dictionary. So if 5 in the dictionary, if there is a value 5 in dictionary, print. So that will print the value if it is available in the dictionary. So the in operator works for dictionaries for other sequences also. So in keys method returns a list of keys in dictionary. So dot notation, dictionary dot keys. So example, in this dictionary, if element not in dictionary, element equal to 1, else element equal to element plus 1. So return the D value in the histogram and print H. So print function. So print function in dictionary for key value in hist, print key comma value. So that will print the values available in the dictionary using print option, and this will print the values according to the variable H. Thank you.